Good morning, students. Advanced Java Part A. 1. What is Servlet? A servlet is a Java programming language that used to extend the capabilities of Servlet, the host application accessed by means of request and response of this programming model. Although the servlets can respond any type of request, can extend applications hosted by the web server. 2. What is JDBC? Is a Java database connectivity, which is a standard of Java application programming interface for database independent connectivity between Java programming language and the range of databases. 3. What is Infobus? The technology standardized to do the way which the applets and Java beans communicate with the Java virtual machine. The Infobus is small specifications. Only the 30 method calls implementation for 4K can take up. 4. What are jar files? A jar file is a Java archive is a package file format typically used to aggregate many class file can be associated the metadata and resources which can be used to distribute the applications or softwares or libraries in Java platform. 5. What is a Java bean? A Java bean components are the Java classes that can be easily reused and composed together application any Java class. Certain design conversions in Java bean components. A Java server page technologies can directly support the Java beans as well as the JSP language elements. 6. Why we do call EJP as a server-side component? It is a server process that handle the requests for both session and entity bean Java components typically implement a business logic Java Enterprise Edition application as well as access the data. It is the interaction between the EJP components and the application server. What is deployment descriptor? When the web server receives the request of the application, it uses the deployment descriptor map of the uniform resource locator request to the code to handle the request. The deployment descriptor file name web.xml means the file name is root of the element is web application. 8. What is RMA registry? Provide the class and two interfaces of a remote method invocation registry. The registry is a remote object that map name to the remote objects. The server registered that remote objects which the registry who can be looked up that particular registry. 9. What is a stub? A stub is the representations of remote objects of the client. It resides the client system. It acts as the gateway for the client program. Skeleton is the object that resides the server side. 10. What is the object serialization? Object serialization in Java is a process to convert the object into binary format which can be persistent into the disk sent over the network. Other running in JVM, Java Virtual Machine. The reverse process of creating object binary streams called deserialization in Java. 11. Give the example of JSP directive. JSP is a Java server page directive. The messages in the JSP container. It provides the informations of entire JSP page. The JSP directives give the special instructions to the container and the translations of JSP to the servlet code. 12. What is a scriptlet? In JSP technology, the scriptlet is a piece of Java code embedded into HTML like JSP. The scriptlet is everything inside using the percentage tag. In between, the user can add any valid scriptlet. Example, any valid Java code, the applet scriptlet. The scriptlet is a small, we using small script. Thank you.